Okay, the question was given like this: a DC two-wire distributor having 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 a length of 600 meters long, fed at fed at one end is loaded as shown below. Okay, this is one end, feeding from one end. The total resistance is 0.025 ohm, 25 ohm. Calculate the voltage at the end of calculate the voltage at the end A when the voltage at end D is 230 volts. Understood? So what we require here is first one. The solution will be first one. The total resistance of the distributor is total resistance of the distributor is how much given? 0.025 ohms. But we require the resistance of the conductors per meter length. We require how much? Resistance of the conductors, resistance of the conductor per meter length. Resistance of the conductor per meter length means this is the resistance per meter length. How much is the total length of the conductor? Is 600 meters. So 0.025 divided by total length will be 600. So we get how much? What is the value here? 0.025. Yes, students, please calculate 0.025 divided by 600 will be how much? 4.16 into 10 power minus 5. So let me take 4.16 as 4.17 into 10 power minus 5. Here it was ohms. Now it is ohm. Now voltage at point D given how much? Voltage at point D is 230 volts. Voltage at point D is how much? 230 volts. Okay. The next will be voltage drop in the distributor from A to D is. So here we will be writing the total voltage drops. Total voltage drop in the distributor from A to D is, what is this total value will be? This is the resistance R1, R2, R3. Yes or no? So for this resistance, this is given in meters. So we have to find this in ohms. So for that reason, you multiply this with 4.17 into 10 power minus 5. Here also you multiply this with 4.17 into 10 power minus 5. Hope you understood, right? Meter and ohm. Ohmic meters is the total resistance value. Now, what is the total voltage drop means? Voltage drop across AB plus voltage drop across BC plus voltage drop across CD. So thereby VAB plus BBC plus VCD is the total voltage drop across VAB. Okay. The next, what is the current flowing through the different sections? Current flowing through the different sections will be here. What is the total current? I1, I2 and I3. Total current in section AB. Section and current flowing. So section and current flowing will be what? Here section AB. What is section AB? Current here, total current is I1 plus I2 plus I3. Yes? In the same way, section BC. If you don't remember this form, just go back to this point. It's section AC. If initial section, what is the total current? The sum of all incoming, all the load currents. Okay, in BC, then what is the total current here? I2 plus I3. In CD, total current will be what? Just I3. Hope you understood, right? Then resistance between A and B is resistance between A and B is, what is the resistance we have from the question? 100 meters. 100 meters should be multiplied with the 4.17
4.17
resistance of the
10 power
conductor per
minus.
meter. Okay, 100 into 4.17 into 10 power minus 5. So what is this value you get? 100 multiplied by 4.17 means?
4.17 into 10 power minus 3, sir.
Yes, 4.17 into 10 power. This 100 is cancelled out of this 5 times. So 4.17 into 10 power minus 3 ohms. Similarly, AB, then BC. BC resistance how much? 200 meters. So this is given in the question. Okay, 4.17 into 10 power minus 5. So the value will be how much? 4.17 into 2. 8.33 into 10 power minus 3
Minus 3, sir.
ohms. AB, BC and CD. What is this value given? How much? For CD, it is 300 meters. 300 into 4.17 into 10 power minus 5. Here how much it is?
0.0125.
0.0125 or else 12.5 into 10 power minus 3 ohms. Okay, now we got all values. Now we require to find the voltage drops. Third section of the problem will be finding the total voltage drops. Voltage drops in the distributor. Okay. Then how to find the voltage drop across? Total voltage drop across this will be VAD. VAD is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 into R1 into R1 into R1 plus I2 plus I3 into R2 plus I3 into R. So this is nothing but R1, R2, R3. Hope you understood. Then we will be finding the total voltage of AD is equal to what is the current I1? I1 is equal to how much? 40 amperes. What is the I2 value? How much? 60 amperes. I3 value will be 80 amperes. So substitute all this value 40, 60 and 80. What is this value? 40, 60 and 80. How much? 4, 6, 10, 180. 180 into what is the value of R1? 4.17 into 10 power minus 3 plus this first part is done. Next will be, and next value will be what? I2 plus I3. 60 plus 80 will be 8, 6, 14. 140 into what is the value of R2? 8.33 into 10 power minus 3. Yes or no? Plus, what is the last value will be? I3 will be just only 80. 80 into, what is R3 value? 12.5 into 10 power minus 3. So what is the common factor we can common here? 10 power minus 3. So 180 into 4.17 plus 140 into 8.33 plus 80 into 12.5 into 10 power minus 3. Solve this value. How much?
2.916 sir.
Yes. So total voltage AD is equal to, solving this value will be 2916. 2916.8 into 10 power minus 3. Or else volts, or this can also be written as 2.92 volts. 2.92 simple volts. Divide this complete value by 1000. Then you get 2.92. Or else simply you can leave this. This can also be written as 2916.3 millivolts. So you can't take this milli value in electrical systems. In electrical there is no milli. We take only volts as a SI unit. Then, so this is the voltage in the distributor. Similarly, we will be finding the voltage at the sending end. Voltage at the sending end. Okay. Yes or no? How to find the voltage at the sending end? See, in the questions, coming back to the question, how to find this VA when VD is given? How much? 230 volts. Yes or no? We have find it VAD. VAD value how much? 2.92. So voltage at the sending end means we require to find the value of VA. What we have here? VAD. VAD we know. How to find the VAD? VA minus VD. Yes or no? Basic differences. We require to find the value of VA. Then VA is equal to what? VAD plus VD. We have the form. We have the value of VD. We also have this VAD. Yes or no? What is the value now? VAD is equal to 2.92 plus what is the value of VD? VD is how much given question? 230 volts.
230 volts sir.
Substitute everything here. VAD is 2.92. The next VD is equal to 230 volts. How much value you get? 232.92 volts. Is the voltage at the sending end. Voltage at the sending end how much? 232.92. Hope you understood, right?